Hi everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Monica, and today we are going to be making storage baskets. And in my case, I'm going to be using the baskets for Easter baskets. So I hope you get inspired by this project. Let's hope that it's easy. It looks pretty easy, and let's get started.
You're gone now, or you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
Come back. Show them what you did. Somebody rubbed against one of the baskets and got paint on her fur. So we'll be needing a bath.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away, and yet so close.
This is the piglet basket, and I bought two pinks for this because I wasn't sure what I was going to go with. And in looking at my inspiration photo again, I do see that their piglet basket was kind of that more soft pink, and I went with the more magenta pink. So I'm not going to use this one because I feel like that's just going to blend in a little too much, and I want there to be that contrast. So I'm going to go with the lighter pink for my piglet's ears and little nose. So we're going to be making some nice big ears for Piglet, and then it's kind of a triangle, a soft triangle shape for the nose. So let's go ahead and draw that.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope